In this episode of FTD Facts, I'm revisiting the country of Pakistan as part of our 10 Facts video series, and I'm excited for this one. Hey guys, welcome to FTD Facts once again. My name is Leroy Kenton and I hope you're doing great. Also, make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you love this video and you want more facts about Pakistan, leave a comment down below saying that you want more facts. And with that said, let's just jump into this episode. Now, the first thing I want to share with you is that Pakistan is home to the highest mountain ranges in the world. In order from tallest to shortest, there is the Himalayas with an elevation of 29,029 feet, and then there's the Karakoram at 28,251 feet, and finally the Hindu Kush range, all of which are located in Pakistan as well as other countries, of course. Now, the second highest mountain in the world is known as K2, and it's a part of the Karakoram mountain range. It's like heaven for mountain climbers, like really. Now, interestingly enough, although Pakistan has not won a medal in the Olympics since 1992, that year they won a bronze medal for field hockey. Before that, I did not know that Pakistan had a field hockey team. I thought they were talking about ice hockey. Then I looked into it and I was like, oh, yeah, field hockey, yeah. But we got the Olympics coming up in 2020, so I'm just wishing Pakistan the best of luck. Maybe this is their year to get another medal. Gold medal this time. Pakistan also has the world's largest ambulance network. Abdul Sattar Eddy founded the world's largest volunteer ambulance network in Pakistan, and this network is also listed in the Guinness Book of World Records. Abdul Sattar Eddy dedicated his life to the poor from the age of 20 years old when he himself was completely broke. And sadly, he passed away in the year 2016 at the age of 88, but his legacy still lives on. Now, for the longest time, I just heard the name Pakistan and I never really thought, what does the name actually even mean outside of just being a cool word. So I got curious and I found out that the name Pakistan actually has a great meaning. It means land of the pure in Persian and Urdu. Pakistan is also sometimes portrayed as the little brother of India, at least to us living in the West anyways. So some people have gotten the impression that Pakistan is a small country, but that definitely is not true at all. Pakistan is now the 5th most populated country in the entire world with 218 million people, and that's growing fast. Also, Pakistan has a total land area of 770,880 square kilometers. Now, the full name for the country is the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and it is unique among other Muslim countries because it's the only Muslim country that has and maintained a research center in the Antarctic, and that is the Jinnah Antarctic Station, or JAS for short. Also, one of the 8th wonders of the world is the Karakoram Highway. Now, it is the highest paved international road, and the highway can bring you from Pakistan to China, and it is 15,397 feet high and 1,300 kilometers or 800 miles long. It's also extremely dangerous as well because there's a lot of sharp rocks and turns and everything, so drive on the highway at your own risk, but it's still a beauty to look at, and of course it gives Pakistan some bragging rights, right? Now, when you think desert, right, you probably think, okay, nothing grows there. But actually, that's not true. In the Tharparkar Desert in the Tharparkar district, it's the only fertile desert in the world, and it's also located in Pakistan. The area is a Hindu majority region with the largest Hindu population in Pakistan. Now, there are valleys and ridges that shoot up about 46 meters, and when it rains, these valleys become moist enough for grass to start growing. Now, in Pakistan, there are 15,000 new babies born each and every single day. That's roughly 10 babies born per minute. So by the time this video is over, about 50 to 70 babies would be born. Our videos average between 5 minutes to 7 minutes. I'm not sure how long this is going to be after it's edited. But yeah, that's a whole lot of babies. No wonder the country is growing so fast. And the final thing I want to share with you guys is in 2012, the Institute of Business Administration gathered a poll from 125 countries, and Pakistan came in 4th as the most intelligent country in the world. It was said that Pakistanis are equal to the people of developed and industrialized countries when it comes to intelligence. So yeah, Pakistan, not only a lot of babies are being born, but a lot of intelligent people people are being born in that country as well. So alright guys, that wraps up this episode about 10 surprising facts about Pakistan. I had a whole lot of fun researching this one and filming it, and I hope you guys learned something new and gained some new insights into the awesome country of Pakistan. As always, let me know your thoughts and comments down below, and if you want to see more episodes about Pakistan, be sure to let me know down there as well. For all of you who are still here, why not check out another episode? Just tap the annotation on your screen right here. You can also find my social media links below. Shoot me a message over there. I do my best to reply as quick as possible. And remember to subscribe and ring that bell if you haven't done so already to keep up to date with our new episodes. We post videos daily. So yeah, I'll see you soon.